In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed social media feeds onto your Google Sites page, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. This process will allow you to seamlessly integrate your social media presence with your website, enhancing visitor engagement and providing dynamic content. So let's dive right into the steps. First, you want to start by heading over to the Elfsight website. This platform provides fantastic widgets that can be used to embed social media feeds on different platforms. Once you're on the Elfsight homepage, navigate to the catalog section. Here you'll find a wide array of different widgets that you can use, but we'll be specifically focusing on social media widgets today. Now in the catalog search bar, type in the word social. This search will help filter out the widgets and bring up the social media related options. From your search results, click on the social feed option. This widget will serve as the bridge between your social media accounts and your Google site. Once you've selected the social feed widget, you'll be presented with various template options. Choose the one that best fits your aesthetic and functional needs. After selecting, click on continue with this template to move forward. At this point, you'll be prompted to click on add source. This is where you'll connect your specific social media accounts. You'll need to choose the type of social media you want to include. Options may include Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Select the platforms you wish to integrate and follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate and link your accounts. Once your social media sources are connected, it's time to publish your widget. Click on the Publish button. If you're looking for budget-friendly options, select the free plan version. Although limited, this plan is perfect for starting and testing the integration. After publishing, you'll see the option to copy code. Click this to copy the embed code, which will be used to place the widget on your Google site. Now that you've copied the code, let's switch over to your Google site. Log into your Google site and navigate to the page where you want the social media feeds to appear. In the site editor, look for the Embed option, which is typically available in the Insert menu. Click Embed and then select Embed code from the options provided. Here's where your earlier work comes into play. Paste the code you copied from Elfsight into the Embed code field. Once you've done that, proceed by clicking Next. Preview the embedded widget to ensure it appears and behaves as expected. You said it could. Finally, click on Insert, and your social media feeds will be placed on your Google site. Take a moment to preview your site to ensure everything looks seamless and is functioning as intended. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated social media feed on your Google site, ready to engage and inform your visitors.